Hey guys, Min here. So today I have here a Glitter Carry-On 20-inch luggage from Level8. So they kindly reached out to me and asked me to do a review on their smaller 20-inch carry-on luggage. So I said, sure, I'll take a look. So this is what I got. Check this out. All right, so let's get started with the review. From the outside, this luggage looks fantastic with the diagonal lines that's imprinted into the front of this luggage and very shiny and reflective design. It's very modern and sleek. So the dimension of this bag is around 21.46 inches and 14.57 inches and 8.66 inches. So the overall capacity of this bag is around 38 liters. Now, how this compares to similar smaller travel bags from Away and Monos and Beis is 39.8 liters, 39.9 liters, and 45 liters respectively. Now, the 45 liters from Beis is because they don't have a smaller bag, and the only one they have is considered the larger carry-on. So this particular one is really targeted toward when we travel on regional jets, smaller planes, and try to fit this bag into the overhead, because with 38 liters, it's relatively small. Now, the weight of this particular bag is around 7.39 pounds. So let's check it out and see if we can verify that. I have a scale here. Let's put it on. And all right. So it's looking at 7.97. I think there may be something inside, but it's relatively close. It's within the margin of error. Now, as all good carry-on luggages, wheels are particularly important. So let's check out how smooth this one is. It includes these 360 degrees spinner wheels with, of course, the nice little Level8 logo on there that looks like an infinity symbol. The wheels are, it seems very smooth, just like any of the other luggages that I reviewed. Of course, this particular bag also comes with multiple handles and feet. So handles, feet on this side, handles here on the top, and handles there. The extended handle is here. Nothing special about it. It's a little bit rubbing, which I don't particularly like. It's a little bit rubbing on that. So that's not the smoothest extended handle I've used, but it still is. It's pretty nice. It's aluminum handle. So this particular handle is aluminum, but it's just not as smooth as I'm expecting it to be. Okay, now let's check out the zippers. The zipper seems very smooth, and of course it comes with TSA approved locks, which you can then just simply apply the zippers and put it in and push to pop. Okay, this particular bag comes in 3 different colors: pink, black, and white. Now, I don't think pink will fit me very well, so I chose to try out the white one. And of course, this particular bag comes with a lifetime warranty. So that means that I don't have to really worry about the zippers, and I don't have to worry too much about the wheels because of the lifetime warranty. So let's open this sucker up and see what's inside. All right. Oh, very interesting. So there are two zip sections similar to their larger luggages, one on the right and one on the left. The one on the right, there is one zip mesh section, and inside, oh, wow, okay, inside there are some stuff. That's probably why there's additional weight. They included, oh, so look at this. This is a protective covering for the luggage. So when you're storing it, you can put this protective covering over the luggage so you will, you won't get dinged up. All right. Besides that, you can feel the rails there, and it's about it. On the left-hand side, there are two zipper pockets, mesh zipper pockets on top, and then there's the zipper inside to this area. So the depths of both sides are about the same, except on the right-hand side there are the basically the extended handle that's in there, that's taking up some space, but the left-hand side does not. All right, so now I'm going to do my test to see what I can do to fill this in. And actually, I'm about to travel tomorrow, so I got my packing cube, and I'll put it on the right-hand side. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll put it on the left-hand side because there is that. And I have my two first aid kit and also my toiletry bag. So if you haven't seen my video on the toiletry bag, please check them out here. Okay. All right, that fits. Now, on this side, I would, fit some tech gear, and also I want to start carrying an extra pair of shoes. So I got my shoes. These are Echoes, very nice, and see if it will fit. I think it will fit. All right, so let me put some tech gear in there too, because I like to put one side as tech. Since I'm filming with my camera, I will use the camera bag that I usually carry with here. Okay. Ooh, it's gonna be close. And I have a gimbal and a travel backpack, and a tripod. Okay, this may need some creativity here. Let's see here. So definitely not as easily fit as my other bag, but I may be traveling with too much stuff. All right, it will zip. All right, so let's see if it closes. And it will close. Check this out. And let's see here. Oh, I think I bumped the combination, so that's why I couldn't put it in. So let's put it back into 0. So there you go. It fits. Everything packed into this little 20-inch carry-on bag. So this one should actually fit into a regional jet. So we'll have to take it out to the field and give it a shot. So let's talk about the price for this thing. The list price that I took a look on the website, it's around $269.99, which is a bit high for something this small. But they seem to have frequent discounts, so I think there is a current special going on as of August 2022. There is a $199 special for this particular bag. So go check it out. Also, check out on the comment below, and I may include some coupon codes that may help you save a few bucks on this box. So all in all, this is a small carry-on bag. If you're looking for something small that will fit on regional plane and also maybe for those international flights, and you can control your packing, then this is a great bag. With the modern, sleek-looking design, the smooth wheels, and of course, TSA-approved locks and smooth zippers, it's a great bag. The list price is, like I said, is a little bit expensive to me, but like I said, there's a lot of coupons and things like that, and even check out in the description below. So, yep, I hope this particular video helps. If it is, please give me a thumbs up, and also check out some of these other videos that may help you as well. All right, I will see you next time. Bye.